Okay, next up we want to download the Windows 10 media creation tool. So if you just type in Windows 10 to Google, it should be one of the first options here, this one. Download Windows 10 disk image. So the link should be microsoft.com /software download /Windows 10. So you want to click on download tool now. And by the way, this video was created as of November 2019. Windows 10 was still free at the time of recording. If it's not free at the time you're watching it, then I'm sorry, but I guess you'll just have to go out and buy it or pirate it or whatever. So once that's downloaded, you want to open it up. You will need administrator privileges to do this, by the way. And it's going to take a little while to get things ready, so while that's doing that, I will pause the video and come back.